What does ATAS stand for?
Aluminum Trim and Shapes.
What do they do in ATAS?
It is a manufacturing company which makes panels for roofing and walls in the city.
Okay, you want to visit?
Sure,
Yeah.
let's go.
What's your job at ATAS International?
I'm in IT support, so I do a lot of work with our computers and networks and servers, things like that. Manufacturing, a lot of people don't necessarily think of the tech side of it, but we just try to keep everyone, like the flow working so everyone can keep accessing what they need to access and keep everything moving appropriately.
My job at ATAS International is a machine operator, running a big machine that we make into small cores. It's a great company to work for. Every day it's something new, it's something different. It's not the same mundane task every day. There's always something new to do. My favorite part about my job is in manufacturing you make a product, and when that product is finished, you can take pride in knowing you gave your best effort to that product and it's going to benefit somebody down the road.
The hardest part about running a business, staying in business. Coming up with the ideas that customers are willing to pay for. So, and that's a constant challenge because you come up with a new idea, then somebody copies you and try to take business away from you. So the challenge is to keep coming up with new ideas and new products to continue to grow.
What's your favorite part of this business?
Meeting people and helping people, that's my favorite part of my job right now.
We would like to give a special thanks to ATAS International for giving us access to their facility. One thing I learned at ATAS was that family was key for running the business.
I'm very grateful for ATAS giving us the opportunity to learn more about manufacturing. One thing I learned is that there's